How does Google Maps find any location on Earth with just 2 numbers? Math uses the same trick. The horizontal line is the x-axis, the vertical is the y-axis. They cross at the origin, 0, 0. To plot 3, 2, walk 3 steps right, then 2 steps up. Always x first, then y, like reading a book. The axes split the plane into 4 quadrants. Watch the signs. Quadrant 1 is positive, positive, then rotate anti-clockwise. Common mistake. 2, 3 and 3, 2 are different points. Remember, x comes first, y comes second. Never swap them. Memory trick: run before you jump. X goes across like running, y goes up like jumping. You'll never forget. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.